Is your Nissan Qashqai's alarm constantly going off for no reason? You're not alone. About 15 to 20% of Qashqai owners experience these annoying false alarms, often triggered by faulty sensors, key fob issues, or low battery. Nissan has addressed these through software updates and recalls, particularly for models from 2014 to 2023 with problematic ultrasonic sensors. The good news is that newer Qashqai models have improved algorithms, reducing false alarms by up to 30%. Here we see the Nissan Qashqai, key components, engine compartment, alarm circuit, and battery check. First, check your key fob battery, CR232. A weak battery can cause connectivity problems and false alarms. Replace it if needed. Next, inspect the ultrasonic sensors in the doors and bumpers for dirt or misalignment. Clean them gently. Try resyncing your key fob. Insert the key, cycle the ignition, and press the fob buttons in sequence. Check your manual for the exact procedure. Finally, adjust the alarm sensitivity through your vehicle's settings. Settings, Vehicle Alarm Sensitivity. A setting that is too high often causes alarms. If problems persist, error codes can be found with an OBD2 scanner. For professional help, diagnostics can isolate if your fob range is 30 to 50 feet, if sensor damage exists, and verify your battery voltage. Aim for 3 volts.